Hello. I went to try to make a grilled cheese sandwich. So what you're going to need is a knife. That was my sister. A knife, some butter. I actually have butter holding up my camera. So knife, some butter, some cheese, and some bread. So the first thing what you want to do is turn your stove on 5. So when you turn your stove on 5, then you want to get your butter. You want to get that butter. This is almost gone, but like I said, it will sizzle. Make sure, kids, if you're doing this, be careful. Put that all around the thingy first. All around the sides. There's butter right behind me, so I'm going to stop. Sorry. I'm trying to open up this butter with one hand. Want to get your butter, then put it around the sides. And get in the center too. Oh, I forgot. Sorry, I have to get a plate. Forgot to get a plate. And you also need a spatula. So when you're done putting the butter on, then you want to get your 2 slices of bread, which is this. Here. And then you have this. And then you want to just put butter on each side. So here, I'll move the camera so you can see. So right now I am getting my 2 slices of bread. I'm going to spread that on. Just to tell you, I don't know if you watch my my candy, or was it cotton candy? Well, my cotton candy, I think, meatloaf cake, part 1, because I didn't finish it yet. So, yep. Okay. I put the butter on, as you can see. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing with the other piece. Keep it on still. If you want to get it off, turn off the stove, then you can. Make sure kids be safe around if you're making this, or kids that watch my videos and are doing this right now. Be careful, please. Please be careful. Do not burn yourself. I don't want to get in trouble. And I don't want you to get in trouble and also get hurt. I think I'm going to do my part 2 video on a Friday. And on all those days on Fridays, I'm going to do it. And also next week, if we don't finish it, I will be doing more videos like that if we don't finish it, because on Monday, I have school on Monday, then after that for 2 days I don't have school, and then on Tuesday I have school, and then the rest no school. So, okay. I'm done doing that. Okay, you ready to get your cheese? I do 2 layers of cheese because I want it nice and cheesy. I'm going to do the rest of the cheese because it's broken. You could add meat. My sisters and I used to use meat, mostly me, or my other sister, or just mostly me. Okay. I also have this another cheese because I thought I didn't have cheese. I was going to cut it, but you don't need that no more. Okay, then you want to put that together, like so. Okay, let me close this. My butter. Okay, so this is what you'll get. Then you want to put it together, then eat it. It's like, don't eat it. That would be nasty. There, that's how it will look. And then on one side, you want to put butter on the side. So I don't know why I closed this. Now it's done. I'm actually using Italian bread. If you didn't know, I'm half Italian. True fact, I'm half Italian. That's why I love Italian food. I love pasta so much. And I love Italian bread. That's why I have Italian bread. Okay. Let me change the camera. If you want to cut it, well, here. This is where the spatula is going to come in. You want to put you could also put spray butter, but you want to put butter on it so when you cook it, the pan won't get sticky. Okay, next you want to use this. The butter side, you want to flip it over. A lot of times you want to check it a lot. I say like leave it on there check for 30 seconds. 4 seconds, which equals a minute. This could, for moms or dads that watch my videos, this could actually be for kids and teens. They watch my videos, this could be for kids. So, yeah. Push that aside. As you can see, I'm just playing with it. So, this is what I'm basically doing. I'm just putting it on each side like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Check. Now, this is what my result is. I don't think that's not cooked enough because it's like still cheesy. So I'm gonna flip it over more. As I was doing it, the cheese got on the pan. So when stuff gets on the pan, you could just wipe it away. That's what makes it butter. It makes it non-sticky. I'm so dumb. I could have used this. You can use stuff just like this. I didn't see that. You could press it down. See, there's like cheese falling off. I don't even have to scrape. My grandma got a pan for Christmas that me bought her. We gave her one of these small pans that are non-sticky, and this big pan that was non-sticky and non-scratchy. I think you should really get that. Like, you could get that from like Shania. You know those pots that we got for Grandma? Where store did we get them from? Bosco. You can get them at Bosco's. And they come with like the spatula too. Okay, I flipped mine over. Nice and brown. It probably looks burnt too, but it's really brown. It's nice and brown, but as I was saying about the pots, you can get them at Bosco's. The small one and the big one. Here, I'll show you. But this is how it looks like. It's green. Did they have other color pots or no?
Oh, I don't know where she got those pots from.
Oh. Well,
we didn't buy them.
You guys didn't buy them?
Yeah.
Oh. That's the size of the spatula. This weird thingy that you could like mix in. This little container. But this is how it looks like. You can't find a big pot though. Let me go pick this back. I wonder if it comes with that stuff. But let's get back to cooking. Okay. Now I'm checking on it. Not done yet. I'm going to put my Yeah, and we're just going to wait. Like a normal kid would do. Since I'm normal. Like you. Just like you. Like you. Just like you. Ooh, that looks so cool. Just, With the straw. With the straw. Wait. Okay. So, it just looked so cool on the camera. Okay. Oh. Let me look under it. I think it's actually okay. Now, you can either cut it with a knife, but I'm not going to cut mine. This is my results. Perfect on both sides. Flip it over real fast. I smashed mine because it's kind of flat when I pushed it down. Okay, now this is the most scariest part. I kind of like it though. Okay, let me put it right here. Oh, the little faucet thing is going to be in the way. Here. So. Okay, you see now? I have a little pure thing here. Pure. I don't know if you can see it, but it says pure on it. Okay. Now, turn off your stove. Now, I actually like this part though. You get your cold water on. Cold water only. Only get your cold water on. And you put it under. Ready? When you do that, you see, when you do that, you can see all the grease. Try not to burn yourself. You can even see the smoke. When I'm done doing that, I'm going to flip it over. So it could also be the back where the heat was from. If part of the handle is hot, you can also put it on the handle so it can cool off. We're going to actually clean this off. So